Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel YYD Auto. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and highly anticipated motorhomes of the future, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling 5-star hotel designed for travelers who demand the very best in comfort, performance, and prestige. Whether you're a seasoned motorhome enthusiast or just curious about what a true flagship RV looks like, this review is going to take you inside and out of every detail that makes the Prevost Liberty Coach stand out from the rest. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach commands attention from the moment you see it. Its design takes the classic Prevost silhouette and evolves it with sharper lines, futuristic LED lighting signatures, and a more aerodynamic profile. The bus-like chassis is built from stainless steel, providing not only long-term durability but also unmatched stability on the road. The paintwork features multi-stage custom graphics, often hand-applied and tailored to each buyer's preference, making every coach a one-of-a-kind piece of art on wheels. The 2026 model adds sleek new flush-mounted windows that improve airflow while giving the motorhome a modern, seamless appearance. The exterior isn't just about looks either. Hydraulic slide-outs expand the living space dramatically, and the underbody storage bays are cavernous, fitted with power sliding trays to make packing and unloading effortless. Moving inside, the interior is where the 2026 Liberty Coach really makes its case as the pinnacle of luxury travel. Every inch of the cabin is crafted with hand-selected materials. Think exotic woods, polished metals, natural stone countertops, and the softest leathers sourced from Europe. The lounge area welcomes you with plush seating arranged to maximize both comfort and social interaction. Ambient LED lighting systems allow you to adjust the mood with endless customization, while massive 4K smart televisions and audiophile-grade sound systems make downtime feel like being in a private theater. The galley kitchen is nothing short of a chef's dream, fitted with premium appliances like an induction cooktop, convection oven, built-in refrigerator with smart climate control, and even a dishwasher. High-end finishes such as quartz or granite surfaces add a residential feel, reminding you that this is not just an RV, it's a luxury apartment on wheels. The bedroom suite is designed as a sanctuary. The king-size bed features premium memory foam or optional air-adjustable mattresses, ensuring perfect rest no matter how long the journey. Custom cabinetry and walk-in style closets provide incredible storage for long trips, and advanced climate control systems keep the environment at the perfect temperature. The en-suite bathroom brings spa-like indulgence with rainfall showers, heated flooring, and even smart mirrors that integrate with the coach's central control system. From lighting and shades to entertainment and climate, every system inside the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach can be managed from a touchscreen panel or a dedicated smartphone app, giving the owner complete control with a few taps. Performance is another area where the 2026 Liberty Coach excels. Built on the robust Prevost chassis, it comes powered by a next-generation Volvo D13 turbo diesel engine paired with advanced emissions technology, delivering both raw power and improved fuel efficiency. The engine produces ample horsepower and torque to effortlessly handle highway cruising, mountain passes, or long-distance touring, all while maintaining surprising quietness inside the cabin. The coach features an advanced suspension system that smooths out even the roughest roads, and active safety systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking ensure peace of mind on every trip. Liberty Coach has also integrated hybrid assist systems to reduce idling and increase energy efficiency, while massive lithium-ion battery packs and solar options allow for extended off-grid capability without compromising comfort. Now, let's talk price, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach starts at around $2.8 million, and depending on customization, can easily exceed $3 million. That price tag reflects not only the cutting-edge technology and handcrafted interiors but also the exclusivity that comes with owning such a vehicle. Each Liberty Coach is built to order, tailored to its owner's lifestyle and preferences, ensuring that no two are exactly alike. While this is far beyond the reach of the average motorhome buyer, For those who can afford it, the value lies in having the ultimate combination of mobility, luxury, and freedom without compromise. So, when you look at the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, you're not just looking at a motorhome, you're looking at the peak of luxury travel innovation. From its commanding exterior presence to its 5-star interior, from its powerhouse performance to its jaw-dropping price tag, it represents the dream of traveling the world in ultimate style and comfort.